Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today, let's continue work on demo number 2. Okay, so let's have a look on the setting file. All right, I did some change under student class. I have add the program under student class. So for the first example, student 01, we use a property label to create a student 01 with name, ID, and program, and a reference of program. For this program, we have created another program 01 outside of the student bin with a name and program ID. Okay, and the second example, we create student 02, but inside of the student bin, we create another program. So we don't have to use a reference for this one. We just create another program with another name and ID. That's a student 02. And student 03, we also create a program 03 outside of the student bin and use reference under the student bin with a property label, but we change the program name under the student bin. So that's a 3 example. So let's have a test. First one is a student 01. We create the program outside of student bin. Works well. So 11101 ITSD. And number 2 is which we create the program inside of the student bin. So 222, demo02, everything is good. Okay, student number 3. So we create this one outside of student bin and we change the value. We change the program value. We change the program name to ITCS inside of the student bin. Also works well. Okay, so that's the first 3 example. Works good. And number 4 is how can we put the list inside of the object. Okay, so for this program, we need to do some change on the program. So here's the array list. Also, we need to change the toString method, so they will print out the list. So here's a one getter method for the array list, and setter method for the array list, and the toString. New toString, so we have courses and all the courses. So let's have a look for student 04. So this one, we create the program outside of the student bin, and we set the courses under list label. So we have Java database and web courses for this program. Okay, let's have a test. Okay, so something is wrong. Oh, yeah. We need to change this student 3 to student 4. Okay, so student name, ID, program. Program name, program ID, and the courses, 3 courses. Everything works well. Okay, so actually, if we didn't use array list, we use something else, like here's a list label, array label, set label, and map label. It's actually depends which one you use. So it's all works in the same way, but you need to use different label. Also, if you this list is for objects, for some kind of objects, like it's a student array list, so you can use a reference. you can use reference for each student. Okay, next one, when we want to set a list from outside of the bin, the first one we need to copy this util schema util to our top of the setting file and paste this one here. And another line under schema location, we only need these two URL and paste under the second line here. After that, we can use the schema util. Okay, so student 5. Okay, for this one, we create the program outside of the student bin. Also, we create another course list, like outside of the program bin. And for this course list, we use the util. So all the program, like all the program 04, program 03, they can use this reference. If they have the same, they want to use same data, they can use the same reference. So you can only create one list here, but everyone just need the other reference so they can use it. So let's try student 05. Okay, so Java database web, okay, says 555, 222, say yeah, 555. Okay, 555. Okay, now we got everything. So that's everything for this demo 02. Okay, I will see you in demo 03. Thank you.